Before you write a single word, remember this. Examiners love clarity, not complexity. If you show them a clear structure in the first 10 seconds, you already look like a Band 7 plus candidate. Today, I'll show you exactly how to write a high band answer for this line graph about the percentage of people living in cities in 4 Asian countries from 1970 to 2020, with predictions up to 2040. Let's break it down step by step so you know what to write in every paragraph. Step 1. Understand the graph. First, look for 3 things. Time period, 1970 to 2040. Countries, Philippines, Malaysia, Thailand, and Indonesia. Main trend. They all increase, but at different speeds. This observation will help you write a strong overview, which is the heart of your answer. Step 2. Write the introduction. Paraphrase. Don't copy the question, change the wording, but keep the meaning. Example. The line graph illustrates the proportion of people who lived in urban areas in 4 Asian nations between 1970 and 2020, and also provides forecasts for 2030 and 2040. This shows the examiner you can paraphrase. Easy marks. Step 3. Write the overview. Most important. Here, you show the big picture. No numbers, just trends. Example. Overall, urban populations rose in all 4 countries, and this growth is expected to continue. Malaysia had the highest urban percentage throughout the period, while Thailand and Indonesia started low but increased sharply. This overview tells the examiner you understand the story of the graph. Step 4. Body paragraph 1. Group countries with similar trends. Choose the countries that stand out. For this graph, Malaysia and the Philippines have noticeable early growth. Example. In 1970, Malaysia had around 50% of its population living in cities, and this figure climbed steadily to nearly 80% by 2020. It is projected to reach over 80% by 2040. The Philippines also saw a rise from roughly 30% in 1970 to more than 45% in 2020, with predictions of around 55% by 2040. This shows clear data selection, not data dumping. Step 5. Body paragraph 2. Discuss the remaining countries. Now describe Thailand and Indonesia. Example. Thailand began at just above 20% in 1970 and grew slowly until 2000, after which it rose more quickly, reaching almost 40% by 2020. It is expected to hit roughly 50% by 2040. Indonesia followed a similar pattern, but increased more rapidly, moving from 15% in 1970 to about 60% by 2020, with forecasts of around 70% by 2040. This completes the comparison and shows you can organize information logically. Final tip. Use clear grouping, logical comparisons, and accurate numbers. You don't need fancy words, just accuracy and structure. If you followed this structure, introduction, overview, body 1, body 2, you don't just write an answer. You write like a Band 7, 8, or even 9 candidate. Keep practicing and you'll master Writing Task 1 in no time.